Is SC knot better than FG knots? The SC node is easier to tie. It's almost as thin as the FG. It is not attached to the guidelines. When tied correctly, it does not slip and is very strong. Fold your braiding line back to a length of 10 to 11 inches. Wrap the resulting double braid line 10 to 15 turns around the fluorocarbon line. Adjust the number of wraps according to the line thickness. The most important trick is to do the winding process tightly. Do not leave gaps in the line. If there is a gap during the winding process or if you do not wind it tight enough, when you start tightening the line, your line will slip. When the winding process is finished, pass your fluorocarbon line through the ring at the end of your knitting line. Do this process tightly. At this stage, wet your line well. First, we strongly squeeze the excess end of the braid line with your leader line. If we made a mistake in the wrapping process, the knot will slip here. In the next process, you should tighten the main body of the leader line and braid line. Then hold both arms of the leader and braiding line together and tighten them to check for strength. Now tie termination knots as in FG knots. You can do this with the risotto finish method or just the half hitch knot method. Cut off the excess line ends and soften them with a lighter if you wish. Finally, make your tightening checks. If you have made a correct SC knot, there will never be any slippage. The SC knot got full marks from Fin Fishing TV. Don't forget to comment if you tie this knot and compare it with the FG knot. Thanks for watching.